Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today the Instagram has launched its new update and the feature is called as voice message. But this feature is also available in WhatsApp Messenger and Facebook Messenger applications. But yesterday this feature also comes for Instagram application, and nowadays lots of people are spending their time with this application. And people are posting their photos and videos on their timeline. And some photos are most popular in worldwide. So at that time, people start follow that person, and also they send the message to developing their friendship. But sometimes it is hard to type the messages when you are busy. So at that time, you can use this voice message feature to send the messages. So how to access that voice message? So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, I try to open my Instagram application via my new Android mobile. And this is my homepage section, and in this section it shows lots of photos and videos, but I like this photo, so I try to send to my congratulations message to this profile user. So how to do it? So just click to open that profile user, and in this section in almost right side up it shows 3-dot icon, so you can press it. Then it shows lots of options, so here you can select send message option. So finally here you can see my message column is ready to use, but in this message section I have the one new icon like that mic symbol. So just long press that icon to send the voice messages. And this method is similar to the WhatsApp voice message feature. So if once your message is recorded successfully, just release that icon. So finally here you can see my voice message is successfully delivered to this user. And one of the main features of this application is, if your recording has noise or any issues, just unsend that voice message. So how to do it? By long press that voice message, and it only shows unsend message. So just select that option. So finally here you can see my voice message is successfully removed, and this is the new feature called as voice message. So due to the time consumption, I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily send the voice messages in your Instagram application. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.